My name is Ali Kamal, and today I'm gonna show you my chemistry fair, which is called Natural Soap. Why is my product good for the economy at present Corona time? We all know that the present time is very difficult for all of us, and the most people that are having trouble saving their own people are the governments all around the world. The governments are trying so hard to pay and give its people millions of soaps and the basic stuff for the citizens in this awful time. My product is best for the economy because making your own homemade soap saves millions of dollars, if not more. And that is good because the government can spend the saved money on different materials for the people to benefit from. Why is my product good for the people at present times? My product is good for the people's health because coronavirus is like a ghost. You never know whether you got it or not. And the only way to make sure that you stay away from this virus by always washing your hands and getting rid of the virus and many other viruses. Anytime in your life, when you clean your hands with good soap and for almost 20 seconds, you get rid of any virus and any bacteria in your hand. And that always keeps you safe at all times. Why is my product good for the society? My product is good for the society in so many ways. It is good for the people to make their own soap and benefit from it by using it anytime. Also, if some people are some way unable to make their own soap, the people who are able can make for themselves and a little extra to sell for the people who cannot make their own soap. It is easy to make and only takes 30 minutes to complete it. So it is good for making money and it's not expensive. It's a win-win. Why can't this product be a model for sustainability? Does it have a specific season? And who can use this product? It can be a model for sustainability because it's not a seasonal product. It is a product that is applicable for all seasons and all people and all classes. It is a soap doctor. It is also a model for sustainability because it is all completely natural. How was this product culturally inspired? This product is not known for all people around the world. However, I first knew this product from my aunt. She makes it all the time and sells it to many people. I would say that it is inspired by many people in my surroundings. What are the ingredients? The ingredients are actually very easy to get. The first ingredient and the most important ingredient, glycerin. It's a weak acid. Honey, it's an acid. Chamomile, slightly acidic. Milk, slightly acidic. And sometimes you can use oil perfume for the smell. And all of the ingredients I said before, also for the smell. Food coloring, it depends on the color. However, most of them are basic. Some sort of a heating product to melt the glycerin, like a microwave. Room temperature and mold. The procedure is as follows. You're gonna be surprised how easy it is. Number 1, cut the glycerin in small pieces. Recommended to cut it in small cubes. Number 2, melt the glycerin in the boiling point. Number 3, add the honey or chamomile or perfume oil. Number 4, add the food coloring, any color you want. Number 5, pour the mixture in your preferred shaped mold. Number 6, leave it until it becomes solid using room temperature. How did you practice green chemistry principles while making this product? Green chemistry is as follows. Description: green chemistry, also called sustainable chemistry, is an area of chemistry and chemical engineering focused on the designing of products and assesses that minimizes or eliminating the use and generation of hazardous substances. I practiced green chemistry principles by eliminating hazardous substances and using only 100% natural resources. That shows that I used only green chemistry principles, as the definition above proves. What IMFs are present in this product? Since food coloring is constructed of polar molecules, it contains dipole-dipole intermolecular forces. In addition, glycerine, also called glycerol, contains hydrogen bonding IMFs or intermolecular forces because of the 3 hydroxyl groups. The first image is a Lewis structure for the glycerol, and the second picture is a Lewis structure for food coloring. How do these IMFs attract and how do these IMFs repel, and why it is a useful thing to the product and why it is a not useful thing to the product? These IMFs will attract by doing step number 6 in the procedure. You have to keep it until it dries up and become hard and solid by using the room temperature. And after that, all the forces will attract and become stuck in one place and they will form the final product. It is useful to the product because when it becomes solid and hard, it is ready to be used as a natural soap. These IMFs will repel by doing step number 2 in the procedure. You have to melt everything in order for the IMFs to repel and drift from one another. It is not useful to the product as the product will not be finalized yet. In order for them to be useful, they have to become solid as doing step number 6. Okay, so the percent composition. The first step, in order to get the percent of glycerol, you have to do as follows. Mass of glycerol over total mass of glycerol and food coloring. So what I did is I got the mass of glycerol, which is 92.09382 grams per mole, and I divided it by the mass of glycerol, which is the number that I said, and I added it to the mass of food coloring, which is 551.48 grams per mole. So that gave me a percent of glycerol, which is 0.143309%. The step number 2, I did the same thing, but I switched everything around. So what I did is I got in order to get the percent of food coloring, I had to do the mass of food coloring, and I divided it by the total mass of food coloring and the mass of glycerol. So the percent of food coloring will be equal to 551.48 grams per mole, which is the mass of food coloring, over 92.09382 grams per mole plus the number plus 551.48 grams per mole, and that gave me the percent of food coloring, which is 0.85726 grams 0.85726%. The product is locally sourced. The sources are the Jordanian market, like Al-Hattar. The product is applied to be useful in occasions like coronavirus. Coronavirus spread all over the world and infected millions of people and killed over 80,000 people. It had stopped the entire world from doing all stuff. And the best thing to do in order to be irresistible to that virus is cleaning your hands all the time. This product is an easy, fast, and cheap way to keep healthy all the time. And finally, the final product is this. For example, solid glycerol with honey inside in a shape of a star. There's multiple of shapes you can do. You can do a shape of a ball, you can do a shape of a heart, you can do a shape of a dolphin, you can do a shape of a house, you can do a shape of a man, you can do any shape you want. It's fun, it's easy, it's cheap to do yourself. You can do so many shapes. It won't take you a lot of time. You can do with different colors, for example like this red. You can do like this, different colors, different shapes, different designs, so many stuff. And this, for example, it's very nice, it's easy, it's cheap. Do it yourself, don't be lazy. Remember these 4 words: fun, easy, natural, and homemade. As always, thank you, and go chemistry.